Hello, good morning students. In last video we have discussed how can you write a notice of lost. In the last video we have discussed what is a notice and how can you write what is the format. Marking scheme also we have discussed. I hope you have watched that video. If you have not watched, then please watch that video first, then you will be able to understand this second part clearly. So let's start. Today in our English subject in writing section we were doing notice writing, and today we will do the notice of found. How can you write the notice of found? So how can you write the notice for found? We will discuss all these things today. Then yesterday, dear students, yesterday we have discussed if we have to talk, if we have to convey our message to one or two person, then directly or by telephonically we can convey that message. But if we have to convey our message in large number, for example in school, if you want to convey your message to all students, to all teachers, those who means work teaching or non-teaching staff and other persons also, then how can you convey? So definitely you have to you can give that information by writing notice. When you will put that notice in on notice board, then all will be informed. So in this way we can communicate. So this is the main purpose of notice writing. We have to when we have to inform large number of people. So this is the message. I hope you have seen many notices on your notice board, like any quiz competition is there, any dance competition, book fair is there. These type of notices are you can see on your notice board. So yesterday also we have discussed, just to have a quick revision, we are going to discuss these points. So notice is a formal, means you are not supposed to express your personal opinion. This is a formal means of communication because you are addressing so a large number of people, so your language should be formal here. And purpose I told you already, to announce, to display something to a specific group of people, to be pinned up on the specific display board, and you will pin up that notice or you can paste that notice on the notice board in school, in college, and wherever you are, in which office you are there. So this format we have discussed yesterday also. Let's have a quick look. Name of the organization will come in the starting, then notice this word will come in the capital letter always, then here left side date, then in center you will write heading, title or topic you can say, then body of the letter, signature, name and designation. I hope you don't have any problem in the format of notice, and if you are having any query then you can discuss with me. In this, especially if we are talking for the notice of found, how can you write? So firstly name of the school will come here, then notice, then you will put your date here, then in title you can write found this word 3 times, or you can write the name of article which you found. Name of article also you can write here. Then in body you will write the name of article which you found, and if anyone lost that article, then to whom they can contact. Then in last, name, signature of the writer, means who is writing the notice, then name and designation will come. So we will see one example how can you write, so you can understand it properly. See this. Yesterday also we did means if and you lost your wristwatch, so how can you write the message you got now? And today we will do, you are head boy or head girl of your school. A wristwatch has been found. One wristwatch was found, and then you don't know whose watch is this, and then you will put this notice on the notice board. So here we will discuss the format. Firstly, you will write the notice in a box. I hope now you know what is the word limit. 50 words. Within 50 words you have to write. So this is, here you can see, this is name of the organization is given. This is name of the organization. Then notice this word is written in the capital. Here date you will write. Okay, this is date. Then here found means something is found. By reading this line is very catchy. By reading this one you can understand, yes, any article is found. Or here you can write means a wristwatch was found. Then how will you start? All the students are hereby informed. You are informing, you want to inform the students, that's why you are writing here. All the students are hereby informed that a wristwatch, here you have two options. You can use was found, this is also correct, or either you can use has been. So here means you have two choice. You can use was found means you can use past tense here, or has been you can use the present tense in passive. Then in the school premises on Saturday, you will write the name of day also there when that article was found. So everything will be clear. Then whoever is the owner means who is the whoever, because you don't know who is the owner, so that's why you are writing here whoever is the owner may come and take it after providing specific details of the watch. Dear students, now pay attention. I'm telling you very important point. In last, when any article was lost, then you have to give details of in lost. Please pay attention. I'm saying in lost notice you will give the details of that article, but in found notice you will not give the details. In found notice you will not give the details. Why I'm saying this? For example, now a wristwatch was found, and if you will give the details, then many students can come. Okay, maybe they don't have good intention, they can say this is mine, this is mine. Then how will you decide? Confusion will be there. So to avoid this chaos, to avoid this confusion, only just write the name of article which is found, and then you will ask the means person who is coming to claim that article, who is coming to take that article, then you will ask them to give necessary detail, so you can identify who is the owner of that article. So then there will be no confusion. Then this is the means name of the signature you will put here, then name of the writer, and then designation. This is name of the designation. So we have discussed all these points. You will write which article is found only, and when it was found you will mention the day also. So whoever lost that article, then that person can understand, yes, this is mine. And please, in found article don't give the details, because if you will give details then confusion will be there. So in this way you can write your notice. Today I will send you some questions also for practice. Do it properly in your notebook. Do yesterday's question also. Thank you and have a nice day. If you are having any query, then you can ask. Thank you.